All right, not going to keep you long today. Another what I call a midweek pasta. This one's very, very fast. Beautiful cream sauce, garlic, onions, ham, pasta of your choice. It's going to take no time at all. This is super quick. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got here 3 cups of cooked pasta. I'm using fusilli. Of course, you can use any pasta you want. 2 cups of cream. That's a fresh cream, single cream. You can use runny or thick cream. Makes no difference. 1 cup of ham. That's actually 140 grams if you're interested. Just slice that up. About half a cup of onion, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons oregano, and just 2 large cloves of garlic. So you're gonna need a skillet, pan, or like me, this kind of little wok-y type thing. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of olive oil. We're on just an above medium heat. I'm gonna drop in that little bit of onion and a little bit of garlic. Salt and black pepper. And we're gonna go just for about 3 minutes. Fabulous. Next up, we're going to drop in a couple of teaspoons of dried oregano, or if you want, use some other dried herb. Then the ham, 1 cup of ham. Now if you want, you could get some mushrooms in here, some olives. Up to you really, isn't it? You can add a few other different bits and pieces. 2 minutes, stirring all the time. We're nearly done, believe it or not. Okay, 2 cups of cream, in that goes. Like I say, today I'm using a single cream, what we call in the UK, or a light runny cream maybe. I don't know what you call it in America. You have different names for your cream. A couple of tablespoons of Parmesan and our cooked pasta of choice. I'm going with fusilli. 3 minutes, keep it moving all the time. You've done it. Fabulous, easy, creamy pasta with ham. And there you go, job done. Super, super fast, super easy, super delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. Please do take time to give me a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.